In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Zoom audio not working. If you're in a meeting and you suddenly can't hear anyone or they can't hear you, it can be really frustrating. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the most common causes and show you how to fix them step by step, using the tools built right into Zoom and your device. Stay with me and try each step in order, because often the fix is a simple setting that's easy to overlook. First, open Zoom and make sure you're either in a meeting or on the main screen where you can see the settings icon. We'll start by checking your audio settings directly inside Zoom. Click on the small gear or settings icon, then go to the audio section. Here you'll see your speaker and microphone options. Make sure the correct device is selected. For example, if you're using headphones, choose them from the list for both speaker and microphone. If you're on a laptop, you might see several options, so it's important to test each one. Now, use the test speaker and test mic buttons. When you test the speaker, Zoom will play a sound. If you don't hear anything, switch to a different speaker from the drop-down and test again. For the microphone, speak normally and see if the input bar moves. If it doesn't, choose another microphone device and test once more. Take your time here. This is where most audio issues are solved. Next, if you're already in a meeting, check the bottom left corner of the Zoom window. Make sure you haven't muted yourself and that the little arrow next to the microphone icon is set to the same device you just tested in settings. Also confirm that you haven't muted the speaker or turned the volume all the way down on your computer or phone. If audio still isn't working, close Zoom completely and reopen it. On a computer, it helps to right-click the Zoom icon and fully quit. Then launch it again. On a phone or tablet, swipe the app away and restart it. Sometimes a quick restart lets Zoom reconnect properly to your audio devices. Finally, if none of that works, restart your entire device. This refreshes all audio drivers and connections and often clears up stubborn issues. By carefully working through these checks, you should be able to get your Zoom audio working again and join your meetings without stress.